Rick, for railroad transportation workers, where was the risk of asbestos exposure the most significant?
The railroads didn't tell the workers where the asbestos was, but we as railroad injury lawyers have learned a lot from getting discovery materials in many cases. We know there was asbestos on diesel freight engines. Workers were never warned. We know it was on cabooses. Railroad workers were never warned, didn't know it was there. It was also in the old-style roundhouses, which many have been eliminated, but for some older workers, they worked around roundhouses and even office buildings. But on the train cars and engines, mainly, it was used to insulate. Also, it was a component on brake shoes. There are at least 8 brake shoes on every train car, and when you multiply that out for a 100 or 200 car train, and that train is going down a grade, the smoke from the brake shoes would trail for miles. There was asbestos in that smoke or dust coming up from the brake shoes many times. The railroads eliminated the asbestos in brake shoes eventually, but for at least 20 years, they all had asbestos in the brake shoes. So all of those places had asbestos that could cause harm to workers.
If you or someone you know has suffered a serious personal injury, please feel free to contact us by going to our website or calling us at our 1-800 number. We'll be happy to help.